This countryside scene is from the Cotswolds. And now, two somewhat similar scenes. But where is this? Actually, it is part of Greater Birmingham, between Selly Oak and Northfields. This countryside scene is Wandsworth in southwest London. And now, a scene from Whitechapel in the East End of London. As a Londoner, I enjoy a tiny patch of countryside in the middle of suburbia. It is the Hogsmill Valley, and the river flows into the Thames at Kingston. This image shows the Hogsmill crossed by the A3. This is the Hogsmill Valley in spring. Let's look at some of the natural history to be enjoyed. In spring, speckled wood butterflies occur, and so do the orange tips. This is the male, and now the slightly larger but less colourful female. Comfreys grow on the riverbank. And here I show the leaves. Other flowers at this time of the year to be enjoyed are violets and dove-footed cranesbills. There are two blue butterflies, the common blue and the less common holly blue. Two quite small flowers are ground ivy and white bryony. This is the black horehound. The most common bird on the River Hogsmill is the mallard. But the meadow has city birds one might expect, like robins, jay, crow, and starlings. The valley supports two kinds of woodpeckers, one of which is the green woodpecker. Herons are quite often seen, and on one rare occasion I saw this egret. Summer in the Hogsmill is a rich time for nature. Insects abound, like this common fly, a green bottle, and a stag beetle. Burdocks are one of the common plants, being enjoyed by the common blue and now by a bee. In summer, butterflies are much more numerous. This is a gatekeeper butterfly, and two pictures of the female meadow brown. This time of year also supports our more colourful butterflies, such as the peacock and the red abril. Like many rivers in Britain during summer, The banks are covered by Himalayan balsam flowers. They vary considerably in colour, but this is a particularly rich pink specimen. Mugworts are a common plant, and one of the less common of the thistles is the welted thistle. Other plants at this time of the year are woody nightshade, redshank, and amphibious bistort. Other quite common insects at this time of the year are crane's flies, shield bugs, woodlice, and hoverflies. You might expect dragonflies, but this is not so. Dragonflies like still water, so this one was photographed in one of the royal parks about 3 miles away. The meadow supports several types of bindweeds, and this is the large bindweed. And this rather exciting find was where the petals did not develop properly and created this rather unusual form. Within the meadow, field bindweeds are quite common, and so is the foxglove. Autumn is the time of snails and slugs. This is the black slug, and it is still given that name when the slugs appear quite orange. It is also a time for cobwebs and spiders. The commonest butterfly at this time of the year is the large white. And the small white. Autumn is the time of the beautiful colours of the meadow trees. And the time of berries. This is also the time when flowers, such as the dandelion, have given way to seed heads. The common creeping thistle is now thistledown. And the teasels have lost their mauve flowers. One surprising autumn find was horseradish. Comma butterflies are one of the few that can live through the winter and can occasionally be seen at this time of the year. Like many rivers, we have bats, but the two mammals I have been able to record are squirrels and foxes. Winter, when it comes, can bring many visual delights.